Mauga uhikite matandatu. No geka mohiki matandatu.
Haya.
Makiuga.
First time kihiko gyakwa giakanjwo na 9 days.
Yeah.
Ewe siria kari kaundu kahuthu. No reke ngwire muhia witikika no rege. My family never appeared for this wedding.
Why?
Riboti ya gukanjwo iguka na njira ya SMS. So riria ni ndaiguire ni wakanjwo and then we did not agree. We did not talk about it. Blunder ya dekire nene ni ati ajirire atiriri. I have to choose if I want to get married to him because he has several suitors wanamtaka. No odathie kuhilire kimundu gikaumira. Gigoka.
Ona akajite no arecokia.
I come from a renowned family.
Yeah.
Na so my family was concerned to kwira andu atia. Na hede ore niguo magerire kuni push.
Okay.
And that one I can say without fear. It is a push from them. Nida make a decision dikumweda at all in my life. Na kafatu igiarugamire na murugamo wako. Ni kafatu.
Ni gwicokia.
Akijera ruto ni turakajirio hiki na tutikawe kare na ni turapapa site guikarania ri. Why not move in together?
Muikarania ru hatari uhiki.
Kamundu uyu a kinyage ginya mutwe. No reke ngwire. Matharau maria ndonagio.
Ni atie gwika. Jamba ni atie gwika ino. Getheka muno murori witu ngunyite ogeni muthenya wa umuthi. It's a very very beautiful week. Turoke mwaka umwe kuma ku mitambo-ini ya muhia wa maingi. Umuthi ni Monday, a fresh new week na ndikihoke ni tugukorwo na kiumia kiega. Muthenya wa umuthi tu ha studio ni na tugukorwo tukiaraniria show ya umuthi ni kwaraniria na murata wakwa na ni tugukorwo hitu ikirora maundu meri matatu na ni njui ni gukorwo wigituika entertained tondu ni tukona show cia korana cia ku entertain, you know, gwiraga show yothe wanyona haha ko ya karamu na karathathi no nginya uthome kaundu. Muthenya wa muthi jitikire nyambe ngurikane horo wa kambuni ya Terrain Africa Properties Limited endia amigunda na thaa ici tukire na ofa cia kirithimathi mwoka ta gikundi mugure kia twakorwo tukimuhe mburi na mwacoka mukorwo ukorwo hihi no agura iwanja inya tugakuongerera kimwe na bruti uragura 350 this trade 315,000 ile uragura matatu trade 250 na ile uragura 250 twamiedia 215,000 itikira utucerera wabici-ini citu haha mwena wa Ruiru kana uhure thimu icio iragera house screen-ini yaku wahura namba icio ni ukorwo kiheo kana ukimenya mawega maria megukua Terrain Africa Properties Limited. Umuthi twina Subeth. Karibu sana.
Asante sana.
How are you?
I'm very good. I thank God for being alive today. Na kuona muthenya wa umuthi ri. This kiama.
Ni kiama.
Ngarahira Ngai muno.
Muthungu gaga atiriri. Monday blues. Nawe wikirire blue.
Ndakwira.
You understood the assignment.
I understood the assignment completely 100%.
Karibu sana thini wa mitambo ya muhia wa maingi.
Thank you muno muhia.
We hure introduction haria.
Okay, ni jitagwo Susan Beth wa Ngui wa Ndungu. Susan nirio ndetirwo ndaciarwo. Tondu shushu ni made after my grandmother. Etagwo Susan. Ndereirwo kanitha-ini wa Gikurino. Koguo kanitha-ini wa Gikurino mwaka ubatithio muhia.
No nginya ubatithio ringi.
No mwaka ubatithio ringi wi mwana. Koguo ri gibatithio ritwa Beth. Koguo ngitwo Susan Beth. Wangui ti shosho. Ndungu ti baba.
Wabatithio ndugutuika mukurino.
Ni ndatwikire mukurino we.
Wacokire kurutira ha?
Mundu agimara ri. Nekinyaga handu agetwira matua ma muturire wake. Na nie kumaga ndi munini ndetwire ndirireirie kukiigathi. Ni ndonaga gikima no Ngai. In fact I remember he murata tuikaraga nake ari neighbor madam ajitaga gwake akanjoha njuiri akanjokia kiremba no ndakinya nyumba ngarigo Ngarigo ngacoka ngamwira nilichapwa lakini unaona nikikuwa mkubwa
nitaiangusha
no
mimi ana ugakigathi
I was very very sure.
But they talking about that what do you think kana ogwiciria ni nyona conversation yo ni thia na mbere muno online andu makiuga atiriri ati mwana munini ndabati kuohwo kiremba afati akinyie miaka 18 akeyoha ni kwenda. What do you think of that?
I'm of the opinion ni afati kuohwo angikorwa ciari ni akurinu tondu mwana ri amenyagira faith athiaga agroaga na faith ya muciari
yake.
Akinya 18 years allowed to make her own or his own decisions but ni akure na faith ya muciari tondu ungimuhe liberty ya gucagura mwana wa muhe liberty ya gwika almost everything na ndukahota kumukania. No akinya 18 years allow them to choose their path.
No akirute. Wow. Na no akirutire.
Riu ndakiguthire
warutire kwanza ndamekaiga kuma waruta
ndaguthire 19 ndakinya 19 uguo. Riu ndabuga ndina miaka igana kuma ndaruta rimu kumenya miaka yakwa but anyway ndakirutire. I think actually ndarutire ndina 20 years. Tondu ndarikia form 4 ndaikarire mwaka mugima
ukiruta.
No mwaka ucio mugima ri my friend ndakirutaga rucini ngagicokia hwaini mande magioka.
Nimaugaga atiriri ati ungiruta ni ukuguruka ati ungiruta ni ufatia ngawike igongona twari na mire wa hece haha kinjira ati we arutaga na agecokia. So
let me tell you something. Ni kuri undu tocio na ni wega njuge uguo. Well, ti kuguruka mundu agurukaga but every vow you make one day it shall bite you. Gutire hindi ungi make vow hane tari kuguruka wa break oro uguo ndungiuka haha uge nie ndeheta mwihitwa ndauga ndikaruta kiremba ndigeka alafu ni expect dakiruta nothing will happen. Every vow has its own consequences.
There is a vow there.
Yeah, but now when children are put that thing marecia nari amekire vow iriku
ona doi
kugwa ngikiruta ri to her it is still a garment no kitabaya.
Wow.
But korwa ni aruteirwo igongona akimenyaga when they have a sober mind ati akimenya ni tha ici ni
vow cia kuohwo kiremba then that one is questionable. Tariu nie ndirikanaga ndakiguthithia tondu nie twarehanire iguru muno na muthu ucio gwetwo baba twarehanire iguru muno na baba na ginya tu point akinjira nie nigetha tuiguane nake no ndigicokirie na nie ngimwira ni sawa ni gucokia nditokuoya gitambaya njohe ni riria ngoma guku ndikirute akinjira no you have to go back to church and do the vows na nie ngimwira no I won't. God has given me that wisdom, thanks be to God. Todo igia ririe na urimuri joke thijeke vow yo na joke garuta ri still the vow would have its own consequences on me. No reure ni ndamwirire aca dadi agikorwo ndikuruta gitambaya giki na njoki oro uguo ndirakirutire ri ni kabanjikarite itare because it is me that you need, it's not the turban. Exactly.
Na turban tio eonanitie kuhonoka muno
tio nagio thingu
riu thaici ri
ona kuria kia buira to turakionire arefi mohe tu itambaya cia ngirudi. Anyway
kwanza ginya mena ginya mifuto maracabithia itambaya apparently reke ngwire muhia ni ona ndiarutire kiremba nigetha hote gwika anything extra tondu na gutiri undu munene wikagwo ati ni aria matari itambaya na gutiri undu munene aria mena itambaya ati matekaga. Dafilire to my faith is not in that line. Na I feel I will be more even comfortable kugosha Ngai kana kwenda Ngai even more itari nakio tondu first and foremost ni thuire uhinga ndendaga uguo hani uguo tanguhinguka muno. I'm a very open minded person.
Bagio turakurino ne hinga kana
asa tia
kana kwino hinga thiini wa kiria
ni kuri uhinga mwingi muno na dirauga on a specific person but there's so many things that are off the rails. Ni murumireire watho muno compared na the teachings.
Okay,
you see you're so focused on making things work than you're focused in making yourself become impactful. ona ndure ndreda njohe gitambaya munyonage uria ndi mwega
onekage no ndura
na guku thutha ri what I'm doing behind the scenes
yes
cannot even be written anywhere.
I get
so I was like no not that alafu not tiate ndakirutire kiremba nigetha hote gwika uguo itarahota no kuona ndonire atiriri if I am supposed to follow this line of direction ndirenda gwitanio na mundu gutuma njigwe ta ndako giko keho na riu tigo kiuga ndi mwega no but no kuigwa ndaiguire tu I am not comfortable.
Wow,
I am not comfortable
yeah anyway ni ndona no tukorwo na show yeah now you're transitioning from mukurino to modo
yeah that is a show that will
yes that's a show by itself
it will eat
no umuthi twina ndeto gitu ko tukiaria na ndeto no ni karugano ujira wahetukire wambere ni ngona kuria nenda-ini kuria Facebook ni nyonete andu magikugura ngi uguo makauga ati kona makiaria uhoro wa mohiki matandatu athuri atandatu bla bla hathiaga ate hau clear the air now that you are here
ugaga hikite maitha matandatu
mauga uhikite matandatu no geka mohiki matandatu
haya
makiuga
but it's good they haha nigetha ngikoro clear the air
eka ndauga reke ciume nene
na ni mwene apparently muhea ni hikite once
rimwe
through hiki
okay
ndekire uhiki wa kanitha uhiki ndwari na maundu maingi no neti twekirire so ndwari of formal ate kwina maratathi I don't know how it happened tondu twari tugie but tukirora kurigana na time frame ire twahetwo ni jira tutiakorirwo tuoya certificate niko nari mutari advantage kuri nie
ongerio muohe na ku
ngere muohe muno but ni ndasheirio ni ndashe nguga atia ni ndashere the first marriage ndendaga kugia nayo ri ni ndakoretwo ndarashirio
okay ni mokire na makirehe indo
ni mokire na makirehe
na mitaratara yothe na
mitaratara ikirumirirwo but unfortunately uhiki ugitwika cancelled na 9 days
taboto hekarugano kau nurathie na ihenya muno
ndengerire
wajira uhikire no neti mugwikira
no neti twekirire
mukunyitithanio no
ni pastor kuria ndathoma kanitha I was a follower of Deliverance Church ya Rimuru na ndari wa praise and worship so my pastor akinjira atiriri being a leader ri ungithio uguo ati moyane na mundu mabiriri guikarania ri ati tondu ndari single mother tondu we single mother ri tuguko tukiopen aliwe ya ndugukaga magiikaranagia na makauga mario kanitha kogo tukorwo ni turathukia kanitha turahe kanitha ritwa riuru na ngiona ni make sense so na tukiaraniria na my husband was supposed to be na tugikiaria nginya na aciari na ngeciria uria mundu aciragia ni ndeka kaundu kiega muno na wambe menye ni waigua ni ndari muracirie previously and so no wega clarify first uria wanjuria uhiki ni umwe ndikite mohiki matandatu ndikite maita matandatu I've just been involved in one marriage because the other one never lasted.
Maya matandatu maumaga ku
muhia I am an actress. I am an actress. I started acting in 2009. I think my first premiere movie ciokaga TV etagwo Kiss TV.
Ndameririkana.
Kiss TV ndio agani ndari yaga muno eka muthako twathakite etagwo Missing You Simpson I think and I happened to become the lead actress hedio.
Okay.
So ni yaga muno. And during that period of time ndathakire kundu nginya demo hiki wa mugaka in KBC and then through that period of time no goretwo ngika tarigi modeling ngekira gown ya kuonania you can buy this gown. I am an influencer so I just sell gowns.
Ni ukarugano ka
riu andu mona njikirite gown ri na njikirite orita rimwe ri
magecia ni uhiki
mageciria haha na gown ino ino enge eno ege but in real sense jikite uhiki rita rimwe.
Oh nice. Riu ni tucoke uhiki-ini uyu niho interest ire muno uhiki uyu first things first uhiki uyu ri kuringana uria wagweta ri uranjira uhiki uyu wekirwo nigetha andu matikagie na liwe
agwika maundu njua kari
uguo hau ni ta kuga atiriri ni hari na gacira kana uhotekeku ati we wekirio uhiki uyu to some degree impress.
Yeah, that's true.
Kanitha.
My actually, like I don't know if it's right to say this, but nieri having in mind that umenye ritaria mbere uhiki wakwa ni watwikire cancelled na 9 days dari na fear of fear area mundu othe akoragwo nayo na ngetigira what if my wedding bounces. So ngeria da tondu by then I am not in school, I'm not under anyone's obligation to do anything. I am my own personal, it's me, yeah. So geciria atiriri tondu no kuhikania ri how about tuthie tuhoerwo kanitha to settle. And that was the case. It was the case. Twakora tungatiria kwari niho twamerire atiriri thu tukuonaga atiriri tuhoerwo tu tuikaranie tuhane ta twa officiate maundu niho mutungatiria njirire atiriri there is no problem and there is no worry in that nego muhoera no tondu mutigoka gucokera hiki kana mugacokera hiki maybe 5 years later nego mugoka gwika anniversary ri kayo tangithakaria muthenya waku.
Okay,
why wouldn't you make your day beautiful? You wear a gown, of which by the way I can advise people even to do that. Don't go to many stress ya kupanga kitu. Just beautify. It is all about the photos.
No bisa
kama tugatere sani wa didiri horo wa bisha akejira aterere bisha speaks volume iri andu makona mageciria ni uhiki weka
nego
but in real sense when you ni kuhoerwo ahoya
no kuhoerwo so
we ikira gauni thaka muthuri waku ekire thuti na nywe arugamiriri ugie na taeri atatu mucoke murianire
na ndeto
ethirire
how na ndeto egathira.
Do you know it was so simple such that even if I'm to do another wedding, that's what I will do.
Ngore kiore kiu ni undu wa riri owerwo ati andu matigeke kana matigakuonage na umambie gwika oguo ri you know I'm trying to ask myself ni andu igana mekite oguo for the image ya kanitha. Now you put yourself ukaboke iga kado ni undu wa image ya kanitha
na to ya kanitha ona ya mundu ungi
ona ya society
ona ya ciari
o impress andu warike ko impress andu ri at your own expense. How many people are ninning out here because of that, and do you think you did the right thing at that time?
Well, I wouldn't blame anyone and in my case I was comfortable with it.
Okay.
Reason being I have died to do a wedding. Muhia agikohe mundu utoire werireirie kurugama mbere ya andu emoni I'm married nimekuwa na harusi
uone leo no gwika ungiona mshikaji
ngiona muthuri tungiambiriria mifango hesabu
oreu
because it's a good thing.
Oh, yes.
And apparently demwanari ni ndarugamirire mohiki bado ingi muno so I used to enjoy that thing ni ndiriri na ngahoya ngai muno ungigete kirona ni njiki ohiki ni ngakena so ni nduire ndirire. In fact ona ni uraigwa the first time kihiko giakwa giakanjona 9 days ewe siria kali kaundu kahuthu na lugano ni urarogerera haraihu tahe kuma riri kuma riu ni mwagikira neti na wagituika husband and wife though hatikire certificate. Okay, let me tell you something. In as much as uhiki ni wekekireri it was a very big blow to me. I followed the right procedure. Ni twakoretwo twacokia ruracio kana ni kwari na formality iyo ya gucokia ruracio na in the presence of some of my father figures, parents na some of my brothers na sub chief. So the office was present. No reke gwire muhia witikika no rege my family never appeared for this wedding.
Why?
I don't know. They are the only ones who can answer that.
You've talked about gucokera ruracio kerio
mundu ria waracitie
ugu he mundu waracitie mbere.
Yes, the first, yeah. This guy oyo wakajo hiki na 9 days re ni aracitie ni okite gwitu formally na tukagĩa na ũthoni mũnene mũno. But 9 days to the wedding, it was called off. Not from my side, but from his side.
Okay, makirugamia
Uhiki.
Ni undu wa itumi maugire marugamia niki?
Up to date, it's right now, it's maybe 11 years. Ndire ndamenya.
Kinya thaa ici
ndire ndamenya. Na it is well.
So ruracio ni macokia
riu thaa ici ngĩũka riu gwĩka now go formalize this other marriage.
Now go formalize, the other one. So before this wedding, you had another one. Now the customary one. Eno iracokerio ruracio, right?
Ndiakorirwo ndahika.
Kwaracĩtio ũtathiĩte?
Yarĩ formality ya gwĩka ũhiki. No ngĩgeka ũhiki thĩ ndwambagĩrĩria na rũracio. Si kuna procedure. So wambagĩrĩria na kũhanda ithĩgĩ nĩ rĩahandĩtwo, then rũracio, then ũhiki. Then kũhoya ũhiki, then ũhiki. So nĩ ndahandĩrwo ithĩgĩ. Rũracio nĩ rwatwarwo. Then before tuthiĩte harĩ ũhiki rĩ wa kanjũ. Na ũhiki nĩ mũheane. Twahetwo nginya ũhiki, twahetwo ũhiki.
Wakanjũ mũgĩũka gwĩka.
Tũgĩũka gwĩka 9 days to the wedding.
9 days
to the wedding tells you that apparently 80% of the services were taken care of.
Exactly.
Yes. But it was cancelled. I tried to follow up. I tried to know what's up. Ndire ndamenya.
Ndũrĩ wamenya nginya thaa ici?
Ndire ndamenya.
Rĩu rĩ, riboti ya gũkanjũ ĩgũka atĩa?
Riboti ya gũkanjũ ĩgũka na njĩra ya SMS.
Na nĩ wĩharĩirie no ũgathondeka bridal team?
Tiga ũguo. Mũthenya ũrĩa wa ũhiki wa kanjirwo rĩ. It was on a Tuesday. It was actually on a Monday tũgĩthiĩ Tuesday. On Sunday rĩ. On Friday twakoretwo tweka pre-wedding. Nĩ twĩkĩte nginya pre-wedding.
Pre-wedding nĩ mweka?
Tweka pre-wedding on a Friday. After that Friday rĩ. Twaikara Saturday na Sunday. On Monday nĩguo tũgĩthiĩ actually kũroka Monday rĩ. Nĩguo tũngĩoneka. In fact ndambire kũhũrĩrwo nĩ best couple wakwa arĩa marĩ mandũgamĩrĩre. Madam ũrĩa warĩ andũgamĩrĩre nĩwe wahũrĩire akĩnjĩra atĩrĩrĩ, hujaona SMS. Funny thing nĩ nditũmĩirwo.
Nĩ wambire gũtũmĩrwo?
Yatũmĩirwo andũ othe, everyone in his contact. He sent to everyone in his contact.
Yandĩkĩtwo atĩa hihi?
Yarĩ message ndaihu no yaugaga we are sorry for the inconveniences.
Ndĩraheana na gĩtũmi?
Ndĩrĩ na gĩtũmi. Yaugaga we have postponed the wedding to a later date. And we will inform you.
So they didn't even give a later date?
No, they did not give the later date.
Tũkũmũhe mũthenya?
Tũkũmũhe mũthenya. Na we are sorry for any inconveniences.
Ũrĩa ũbutagwo kerwo atĩrĩrĩ, nĩ ngũkũhũrĩra thimũ. Ũkoria hũre. Asa, reke nĩ tũgũkũhũrĩra.
Nĩ wanyita? Rĩu niĩ rĩ, I remember it was some minutes before 7 a.m. Nĩguo ndahũrĩirwo. Ona ndarĩ toro. Ngĩhũrĩrwo nĩ rĩu best couple ũyũ. Akĩnjĩra atĩrĩrĩ best maid rĩu. Ũrĩ o toro. Ngĩmwĩra nĩ ngũgĩkorwo kũ na nĩ around 6. Akĩnjĩra ndũrĩ ũrona message ĩyo. Ngĩmũria message ĩrĩkũ? Ndũtũmĩirwo. Aca. Okay, rũgama hau ngũtũmĩre. Akĩrenga thimũ akĩndũmĩra message ngĩona. Ngĩmũria ĩno yauma kwa. Akĩnjĩra so akiuga nĩ ng'ani ũtũmire. Okay, nĩguo akwĩra ndamũhũrĩra rĩ rĩu ũyũ watũma rĩ nĩ gũthiĩ through? Nĩ gũthiĩ through? Apparently twakoretwo twetha nyũmba twabangaga kũ move in. Koguo hena indo already twatwarĩte from my side, from his side. And so ngĩmũhũrĩra thimũ akĩrega kũnyita, ĩgĩkorwo ndĩraingĩra harĩa thimũ yaingĩrĩire rĩ ndoire hĩndĩ ĩyo nĩ hũrĩirwo thimũ nĩ andũ aitũ, message nĩ nginyu, andũ aingĩ nĩ manjũria nĩkĩ mũkanjire ũhiki, and I'm like me I don't know. Niĩ ndiũĩ honestly, ndirĩ na idea ũhiki nĩ ũrakanja.
Ndũramenya?
I had no slight idea. no na slight idea. You know, this is a wedding, you have prepared for it in a couple of months. So riria ni ndaiguire ni wakajore, and then we did not agree. We did not talk about it. You just went out there. Yeah, you did not even consult me. Wathie tu wandikira andu message ati tiguko no uhiki. Weka conclusions iriku waria nao wa involve. This story was had the family involvement.
Yeah.
You did not ask anyone. We had a pre-wedding last week. You did not even call for at least even for conversation. Maybe we could have discussed it.
Yeah.
You know, you don't have to marry me by force either way.
But he did things so casually.
I know.
That was wrong.
He took me so lightly.
Yeah. Ateka message. Uhiki ucio
aguire ta nyeni.
Uhiki ucio ndugwikwo.
Ogo ni aguire. Having himself spent over 700,000. Himself.
Kana wale wakorotero hini kuiguithika iguithiki.
Not really. I had known the guy for 6 years. Ndamumenyete miaka 3. He was a friend. He was a friend, but blanderia dekire ni riri. Blanderia dekire nene ni ati ajirire atiriri. I have to choose if I want to get married to him because he has several suitors wanamtaka. No ndamwira acagure ri ndegucagura. So na niere ngimwira atiriri, then for me to accept your proposal, no njirire ni ugwika uhiki. Oririkana ne gwirire ni ndatuire ndirire gwika uhiki muno. So me my cut out ni wiki uhiki. Akwa gutiri uhiki ndoko.
Akwa gutiri uhiki gutiri kihiko.
Akwa gutiri uhiki gutiri kihiko.
Hau niho wakunyitukeirie.
Ru hau niho anyitukeirie. Akimenya we no kihiko tu urenda. O kihiko. Kuja. Na tukiambiriria plans. Tukiambiriria plans wega muno. In fact on Sunday onigetha Monday akaje uhikire. Tugikoretwo twagia na meeting ya budgeting. Ni twikite most of the services we have paid the down payment. Kogore. We are like ready. Tondu urihite 70%.
We final stages.
To final stages.
Rugo process ya maundu maya.
It was not easy.
Aciari ni mekugeria to get in touch na aciari yake tondu makire involved nginya irasha-ini.
Well, so ndamuhurira ri ndahotire kumunyitukia around 11. Around 11 ndamunyitukia ri. So around 11 am niguo anyitire thimu akinjuria we kungimwira he ndakoretwo ndauma mucii ngithie he a friend warutaga wira hau ndaikaraga Roysambu by then. So ngiko ndathie Mountain Mall just around there was a friend who was working there. So akinjuria we kungimwira ndi hana. Akinjira koguo nduri mucii ngimwira aca ndire mucii. Akinjira giuke jumuia tago jumuia. Jamia Mall. Kiziroka Jamia Mall tucamanie. Twaranirie. Na hiyo ndageria kumuria what is that SMS ri akaignore. We si unakuja tutaongea. Ikimwira ni sawa. Tugigithie. Akinjira agikorwa njira haria gutiga safi. No hakiri ciakwa cia click ire uria aramaanisha. Cia nyumba iria. So apparently ende ajira tucamanie Jamia ri acokire agithie akiruta indo agithama.
What?
Na nie ndimwetereire ku
Jamia
ngetererai muhia ngeterera muthenya ugituka
ate zero aina miaka igana hindi no.
I was enough age. I was 24. I was enough age.
Wali mundu wisawa. Actually at 24 you can make a lot of
good decisions. Yes, of course. I was sober minded. So to gikimweterera best couple ya uhurire thimu ri akihurira akinjira ni okire town kana otwanane so ucio niwe twathire tuge past time tukiaraniria and twaraniria ri otwetereire mundu ni eguka
jaba ni gucoka yuke
ndiguka ona thimu riu ndiroya githie githamia indo life ikiambia afresh life started afresh
ukwira andu atia
Ndamerire nĩ ma nĩ ũguo nĩguo nĩ tũra postpone rio hiki nĩtũkũmũhe date. Gemera nĩtũkũmũhe date tũkũmũhe date. Unfortunately or fortunately ndirenda kũgathĩrĩria gĩkuũ mũno but he lost a family member.
Oh.
That particular time actually on maybe must be Tuesday or Wednesday. And I learned about it. When I learned about it, I wrote on that story. Gerado nima turakajire uhiki ni undu ni araluzire sister yake. I think it was this. I can't remember who it was, but it was a close family member. And that was the story I gave people. Na riu ri thina kwambia hau muhia. Let me tell you. Wiguaga wa mucoka niguo ri ya mundu. How niho thina wakwa wambiririe. You see, I was 24, not married. I was working. I had planned my life very well. Ndacemania na kimundu kianjira ni gikuhikia.
Ndigwa nginya ni uract kuria.
Na no igwa ni ndira.
You look like somebody who is doing well for themselves.
I'm doing well
at your
because
age.
At my age I was acting. I was still in school. I was doing that's the time I was doing journalism. I was in school. I was very busy actually.
Yeah.
I was very busy because when I was 23, I launched my first magazine.
Wow.
At 23. So I was trying to maneuver around kumenya life urihana. Kimundu kiumira nako.
Gioka.
Kianjira ni gikuhikia. Ndaigira box.
Hena kiure ndariganirwo kuria. Hindi no maracokia ruracio ri. Ni gutumana megutumana ireho
The guy came.
Kana ni mugwika mitaratara, you know, both families sit down because the
family sat down. It was an arranged date. It was not just any day.
Riu maikaire thi ni ruracio ruracokio.
They how.
Uhiki waku rorago in short.
Ona gwatwekire ni guthinjanwo. It is in writing. I have it in writing and it is better that I clarify that. That twathinjanire gigikuyu in the presence of the men who are still there in their ruracio. Waigwa? Na it is in writing. I was present, the guy was present, my family was present, he also had his family.
You know, okay, on my co-present. My concern is you. Imagine
no, I'm already healed. I'm moved on more here. Actually, it's after 7 years.
Oh.
It's after 7 years. It's at 24 years. 7 years later.
Moka gucokia wina.
Moka na mwanake oginya ni ahikanirie. He moved on with his life. In fact, story no ndirakuhe riu ni before this one. Ya gucokia ruracio. Ino yo hiki wa gukanjwo ri thutha. Wa mucoka muhia ri. I had planned my life. I was not doing well either financially, but I had planned my life well. I had a strategy. Yes, I had a strategy, how I want to run my life, what I want to be at 30, what I want to do, you know. If only I had a good support system.
Okay.
Now, he didn't know oyo akajo hikire. Akajo hikire no ta mugoroki tondu gukimwita atia akaja na detikira. It was not easy processing.
Yes,
but I had to go for a bit of counseling. Na neda I'm a very talkative person. Kogo nedaririe kiundu kiu gikihana ta kia nyuma. No odathie kuhilire kimundu gikaumira gigoka
ona akajite no arecoka
ona haria akanjire amenya ni ndamenya mari ndimenyaga nginya muthe intention yake ari iriku tondu haria amenyire ni nda processera ma ambiriirie love notes. Ashokia I was foolish, I think I should not have done that, mi bado nakupenda. You're confusing me boss. Gamu block.
No aroka.
Na hediria agire muno ri tondu I come from a renowned family. Na so my family was concerned to kwira andu atia. Na hedeo ri niguo mageriri kuni push. And that one I can say without fear. It is a push from them.
Ugutindika
mani pushire muno
ucokano na jamba kana
jokere jamba tondu first and foremost mundu ni akurasheirie Secondly, mundu uyu aspendete over 700,000 tondu budget yo hiki yari ya 1.3 nigetha tweke uhiki. So he's not foolish according to them, to them. Ti mundu mukigu ndangihuthira mbia ici ciothe atekumenya kiria arenda in life. No ngorirwo ni ndina mahitia koguo ni ndimuhitiirie. Ni thie ndimuherere ndimwire ni sorry ni gukuhitiria
umwe ni sorry ndu wa ukanje uhiki utigitie thiku kenda
ni uranyita. And so apparently he looked for me. He was fierce, he was aggressive. Na agikoni anyitukia akinjira riu ri ndirekire undu ucio no rimu ni ndirona ni ri you are still the one for me. You're still the one meant for me, my soulmate.
Come back.
And now looking behind, I was so done with him, by the way. To be honest, I can say it without fear, I was done with him. Nida make a decision ndikumwenda at all in my life. Na kafatu igiarugamire na murugamo wako. Ni kafatu.
Ni ugwicokia?
Ni gwicokia muno tondu ni ajokirie thutha kundu kuraihu muno.
And I mean, ni ugwicokia kuriwe?
It was something planned. Niwe akungira.
Okwanyu?
No riu ndekungira mucie. Hindi yo akajo hiki ni ndiagithie na mbere na maisha makwa kirio hiki wakajo. But now it happened umenye kwa kajo hiki 9 days to the wedding. Now already we have accepted the situation. So what have we done even in our minds? We have cancelled the day.
Yes.
So like 3-4 days to the wedding, to the wedding date. Gishoka kegera. Akijera ruto ni turakajirio hiki na tutikawika ri na ni turapapacite guikarania ri. Why not move in together?
Muikarania ru hatari uhiki. Ukoona red flags?
Ningeona aje na mjamaa ameniharibia jina.
What?
Ningeona aje na familia inanisukuma hivi. We tigori mo, we mundu no ahuthire mbeca icio ciothe akorda kwendaga. Arakaja niki we ni muhiteirie ni madetha haria ndimuhiteirie ni nguona mamuhia ukaga. I swear before the living Lord up to date ndire ndona mahitia basi. Na ndire mwega ndiretekira ni ndire mundu mwega because no one is perfect.
Uti mundu igana koiga
but gutire handu ndamuhiteirie undu ungituma kanjio hiki. He did not find me cheating. He did not find me in an unconfident situation yagiuga atiriri ndagukorire hana. He did not even ask me ate anjire atire ndeciria gukanjo hiki tondu wa 1 2 3 ngoro ndina idea wa kanjo hiki niki. He did not tell me.
It's not making sense to me
at all. It does not make sense up to
date. Uti hede ugikanja ikonderera kuhikia mundu ndiokanjo tigetie thiku 10 njoke thiku 2
imagine
kana thiku 4 ndakanja ri ndimwiroke tuikaranie.
In fact ajokirie riri ni ndu wa ithe ndia kwera cousin yake, I think ni cousin wa kwire. So daraidire on the cousin ngiuga uhiki ndugwikwo ni ndu cousin ni arekire atia ni arapasire. That is the story I gave people. So na mathiko ma cousin ni tuguthi nake
no muguthie.
So you can imagine the picture yari ku family ine yao already ni moyo hiki ni mukanje
macoke makuone kuo.
He was very arrogant. He didn't care about me. He didn't care about my feelings. No, dena choice. Mwana uyu ndindikitwo muhia. Ndirerwo atiriri mundu cio ndangikorwe muguruki. You have to cope. You have mutumia ni kwenyihia. Mutumia ni go submit. Mutumia ndacokanagiria na muthuri and such stories. And I had to bow down. Ngireka mundu uyu kinyange nginya mutwe. Noreke gwire. Matharau maria ndonagio
ni atie gwika jamba ni atie gwika ino.
Haya twarikia kuma mathikori. So tugikiinuka tukiambiriria life as husband and wife. The first red flag kimwira atiriri tondu akiri bachelor na ni ndakiri okairitu kanini tondu tutikiri na kitchen staff ri ndigithie kamukujie ngagure indo kijani sawa ni gukuhe tondu riu twagi papacite twiko hiki no andu ni makiheagwo gifts na keke so umenyaga kirio kugura later ngimwira riu tondu tutiragika uhikire ni tuthie tukagure kiria tutari akijani ndigigutwara ngikimwira atiri na thina ni nguthi kugura wehe mbeca na agikihe mbeca apparently arutaga wira Nairobi akijira bora wahetũkĩra wĩra-inĩ ngĩmĩra niĩ ona ndigũtinda ngĩtũkĩra wĩra-inĩ. I was feeling shameful. Mani ndigũtinda ngĩtũkĩra wĩra-inĩ haku gwĩka ũguo ndagũra no kũinũka ngĩinũka akĩnjĩra aca no mwaka ũhetũkĩre wĩra-inĩ. Ngĩmũria gwĩka atĩa tondũ menye ngũkuĩrwo indo nĩ mũndũ wa beba anginyerie nginya stage ya matatũ tũikaraga Kiambu.
Atirĩ bata hetũkĩre wĩra-inĩ. Atirĩ
bata wa gĩtũkĩ. Akĩnjĩra aca ithĩti niĩ ndauga ithĩti niĩ mũthuri waku. Na ndũkariganĩrwo ndininĩte wiki kuma ndacoka. Nĩ ndona red flag no he ũndũ ingĩka mwena ũrĩa ũngĩ ndĩrerwo atĩrĩrĩ you have to be submissive. Mũtumia
family ĩragũtindĩkĩrĩria
ĩrandindĩka kũndindĩka nĩ ndatindĩkirwo and ngĩkĩnyihia ngĩkĩmũra nĩ sawa nĩ ngũka. Akĩnjĩra nawe woka ũhane ta ũrathaitha njoke. Ngĩmũria ningĩ ndĩragũthaitha na already twĩ hamwe tondũ it's the morning agĩthiĩ wĩra ningĩ ngũthaithe. Akĩnjĩra nĩguo ndakwĩra. Ngĩkĩmwĩra nĩ sawa no niĩ Wangũi ũrĩa ndĩũĩ ũguo ndingĩka no ngĩmenya atĩrĩrĩ tondũ nĩ ndĩrenda kĩhiko
ngũthekerera hanini
andũ gũthekerera. I didn't have powers and I feel bad I feel bad because no one understood me more. Hakuna mtu ningeshare na yeye understand. Na obviously okuni understand yati ana mwanake ũyũ ni spendete on me. It is evident this guy loves you. Marakiroro besa. So no one felt my pain. Na ngĩgĩthiĩ na ngĩgũra indo na ngĩgĩthiĩ wĩra-inĩ no ndiahotire kũmũthaitha no ndakĩgeririe kũ-behave ũguo endaga. Ngĩona nĩ ndamboeka ngĩinũka. Ngĩkinya mũciĩ akinya afurĩte ta mandathi. Afu nĩ ngĩaragia ici ndiaragia ndarirwo mũtumia kanua
mũtumia nĩ gũtumĩria maũndũ.
It was life on hell. And so agĩgĩũka hau nĩho ambĩrĩirie dramas. He was so dramatic nĩ wandingĩenda mũndũ ta ũcio mũtũrĩre-inĩ wakwa rĩngĩ.
Drama ta ciake.
I hate dramatic men.
What did he do?
To pity behaviors. You know, hena conversation urenda ku raise urahota ku raise nona
kagerera ngerere faini
kagerera na guku ndakuri urenda atia ndukunjira
kuga
ndagukirira uroka nginya haria ndathie gukoma agoka ambiririe ku make calls day hau na calls icio ri ati arahurira baby mama baby mama that I have no idea about. So you want me to raise alarm na niĩ ri
ugakira
ndamenyire gukira so it provoked him. Todo diraria. So agoka aria na thimo hau na niĩ ngamulenga ngauma ngathie ona kabanga hure bathi cio tuko ngathie kuruga ndathie kuruga ni arenda guka hau kuhe story agano amenya madam ucio twatwire nake mwana wake na 4 years and I'm like sawa it's okay you take care of the baby and then he was like I did not expect you to react like that. So I'm like how did you expect me to react?
Ugore kama ndo mago trigger.
Kugo arenda
ukautweka trigger.
Exactly he was triggering me.
Akaigua uru.
Exactly. So when he was triggering me na tweka trigger dread arakaraga muno to a point he even came up with a case now days later akiuga ati ni ahurirwo thimu na private number na private number eno ri yamwira amwirite anganie ati ni oye anga kurigaga besha na marenda kumuraga na makaheana details. It was a lie. Na makaheana details ciake. Waigwa da expectaga demoge ona gata hikia nyenje. So niĩ ngĩmwĩra atĩrĩrĩ hatirĩ na thĩna angĩkorwo nĩguo wahurirwo tũgũthi gwa CID twandĩkithie statement ya ũrĩa mũndũ ũcio arakwe tondũ ndũngĩ conclude atĩ niĩ ndũmanĩte out of nowhere tondũ anjĩrire kũringana na details icio mũndũ ũcio ahe kũronania we nĩwe ũmahete. Ngĩmũria why would I even give you a details? You're my husband.
Ni blackmail.
You get my point? So niĩ ndamwĩra tũthiĩ gwĩ CID rĩ akĩrega. Ngĩmũria ũrakĩrega gũthiĩ gwa CID nĩkĩ na nĩ ũrenda niĩ kũni accuse? We unataka uni accuse.
But utaki we follow
to follow the right procedure ya kufollow hiyo kesi. Hau niho rĩu ndoneire mũndũ ũyũ rĩ ena rwake. From that point I started scheming a way out.
Mũgĩikara kahinda kaigana atĩa?
It was in a month.
Mweri ũmwe tu?
Yes, and he had shown me dust.
What?
In fact, muthenya wa uria wari the specific date yo hiki ni ugukinya ndi ku ngimwira atiriri na riu tondu tutineka hiki na muthenya uyu niguo tungirekire hiki how about we go out out of the town for 2 days and come back rero we nduri hakiri ona ndurona uria ndirahuthirire mbeca nyingi and I'm like it is you who cancelled the wedding kugu kikajo hikire ni urari na idea ni mbeca ciaku cirora
ndungeni blame ni undu wa
ndungeni blame
mahtia maku
haya again this outing is supposed to bond our marriage to bring a connection for us yatire go connect nawe na ndauga ndukana njire uguo rege nona muthenya ucio hiki ni tabautere muhia gutaramitiro ni kuga atia
gutaramitiro iti tituikaga ni ukomete uguo gwika ati ugicount ni mundu wi indo yani
riu ndio ndakire ya indo to muthenya ucio wohikire ndaraire balcony ni ngicikara
ugika 1 kare wanu
the point was ni muthenya witu wa ive uri ungirari wohiki so at least you have refused to take me out please come early let's have a dinner together enjoy and talk about our life now start planning ahead to at the end of the day ntwahikania riu and it's only now umenye ndio dashoka ri this is muthenya uyu wohiki ni ta the 3rd day kana the 4th day twe hamwe tondu menyo hiki ukajitwo 9 days you can calculate
mwasoka nu
riu muthenya uyu wari wohikire jama hakukuja hata home
ndekuinuka
riu data register
wika
deika ngirigwo atiriri niki giki kiratumire hike I don't know ati athiete bash agaku bash mundu ndamumenya ona ndanyua nginya njohi no dari wa kanitha but he was very reserved ni ngimumenya he was a good guy because obviously for 6 years ni mundu joy so he was a good guy I had foreseen him business na gona he's very
mundu rathi handu
kuraihu fio so umuthi ndunoka we ko arara ko ni ndiracoki when we urajirire joke you know why did you even you don't
wakira kana mwana ondo makoragwo kuregetha magererwo ni andu
ndake magereyo ni ndarigirwo atiriri wakini force niki nyingire into a relationship utari interested nayo
riu muthenya uyu ndeguka
ni
wararo gitara mitiriro no guthi na mbere guikara ku
ni
nginya kahinda kaigana atia
that was on a Saturday ndaikarire tu the following week yo niguo anyonia maundu tondu riu kuma Saturday wa tano kari niho haha ukakuhurirwo thimu anga ni baby mama ciathire anga ni aretio besa akona ta gutuika concerned ashoko kare history ya CID it does not scare me na damira tuthi kwa CID arega hau niho ndageire na red flags tondu actually story ya CID re yoka the following day after Sunday no umenyere ndanoka Saturday wanyita dina mori yaona data na mitirereo sikumcall hata kumuuliza mbona ukuji so siku hata concerned so on Sunday athi wera kana ukuri athire so he called me while he was working akenjera ni ahurwo thimu ni CID so he was to gwiciria ni guthima kana ndakarire niwe kwaga guka utuku ikora ndire ku I'm a bad girl
wishomoka
so on that Sunday ndamukorire wira-ini ucio kumwira atiriri wira wake wari hakuhi na Kamukunji police station so ndathi kumwira atiriri nona nie ndathi kwa Kamukunji kwira thigari uria unjirire ajirire nona nawe wathi ndugacoke gwakwa
ndugatinde ugiuka
yo nawe no uthi
ndungithie
and then I'm trying to show still my family that ni ndiragicokirio uguo murendaga kuguru uthaicire I'm between a hard place and a rock tondu ndirarigwo atiriri ni ngumera ni guku ni kunemire na ndamera ri wira wao no kunjira atiri acakiririria mutumia ni gukiririria
so even the family played a very big part.
It's not even a very big part, it's the main part.
Maundu mayo ragerera.
It's the main part. So Gikiambiriria riu kuona red flags, giambiriria riu go slow down on everything, strategizing things na giona hatire na kihiko. So on Saturday now the coming week gikeko ndimwetereire. Riu ni njambiririe kumenyera life. Aigwa ni eguka. Aigwa ndeguka. Na no igwa ni only 1 week. Haya. Aigwa ni kunjariria ndamurugira breakfast aigwa ndekumiria ngamiria.
Dukoragwo ni stress na uragwo ni ngara.
No, actually muhia I'm one of the people ni hinya muno njuragwo ni stress. I refuse something to control me. Ni controlagwo ni emotions. Na controlagwo ni maundu maria marahanika because I believe the power is within me.
Yeah, the power is in you.
So but by that time it is the time when I'm learning these things. Tondu riu ni ndambiriria riu kuona mundu kumbe mundu rume no kiahani uguo kumbe these things can happen in marriage kumbe you can be married and single. And so this particular Saturday he comes early. Normally his time frame yari guka thaa 5 na thaa 6. Na kageria gukuonia au makwa muhiki but I didn't even care. By the way he will come and make I knew it was fake calls nikiria ni hari tatida nagirira. He will make a fake call au yaterere ate nimefika babe na kearithia na tumiheho. As if I care.
Ugo ni mundu rageria.
He was doing all means he can to trigger me.
Oh, trigger.
No garigwaterere. Why would you take all your energy kuni trigger?
Exactly.
You're wasting your time
you
and money and resources.
Things.
You would be doing better things.
Exactly.
You're very foolish.
Ndoze ndegwa no akurakareti. Muguka gutiganira ha.
Well, tutaratigana re. On Saturday agiuka earlier. Actually some minutes to 7. Aikuwa ni hede ni ndiraruga sapa. Deriko geina karwimbo tu oko. Ndatindaga riu nyumba. Mundu kwanza ni ugire ginya ndukarute wira. By the time turamit re da representer kodo. TV presenter.
Session ine fulani.
But niyo kauga una ndukuruta wira uikare nyumba he is able to sustain you. Na ni mamundu yakire able to sustain arage gutigira ngirio muthenya.
Besa wira nacio.
Ni hede akoretwa mberiria kweji build. So on this particular Saturday he came home earlier than these other days. So okari agiuka akehura hau gite-ini na ni gimuria watinda atia. Let me tell you, they don't need a challenge in the muno ya mundu. To me what I think up to date, he mundu wa mupushaga. Todo ekwaria normally, ekwaria wega ta mundu mwega uri ari. Aririkana ni arapusha uri agathuka. Ona? So watinda atia? Ndatinda wega. All of a sudden akarikana ndagufatie kunjira. Ona? Akahana tarakara. You understand that scenario? So apparently gemoria watinda atia kinjira ndatinda wega na ni gemura ni sawa na ni no kuruga ndiraruga sapa. Jori urarugira u.
Kofati kuruga.
Gemura tugikaraga tu turiona we akire we ndirarugira nani. Sitaki zo machakula zako.
What?
Mundu kubena marakara.
Ena maudu.
Na okay na tutire na maisho na rere umire rushine tutiuma na issue. Niere ne gimadarugaga githina be na kuruga gimare. Gimuria riu tondu ni wakiuga mati we ndirarugira ri guikoro gikirugira u. Na ginya ni gugurite nyeni ci haha. Jire waigwa ni ukuruga ruge waigwa ndukuruga wikare. Tutikuruite muhia. We didn't have an issue at all. Wewe umana maundu maku. So niyo na ndiambire kumucokeria ndambire kumuria uko sawa. Akejuria akiambia ko hana tarari ya uru. Wewe ajeriria atia? Kama unasikia jua ni kali sana, si uende mahali hakuna jua.
Uende kwa kivuli.
Wewe ugeka atia?
Wewe
ugeka atia? Na ni ndamurire kumbe hata wewe umeona huko umenipigilia misumari. No gosi yakwa ndoire na ngiuma.
No gicomoka.
Na gicomoka.
Ni gucoka kuo ringi.
Atika ni gucoka.
Karare muiso de ruracokio riu.
Gai ruraciroka gucokio 7 years later.
7 years later,
But now in the span of 1 year ni ndacokete maita mana.
Wake.
Riri thitirio ria mbere. Haya, dauma aikaraga Kiambu. Hedio dauma ari thitinie ndaziro wona dauma. Mundu ndaragutigithiria. Na family yamenya ni dauma ikanjukirira.
Ikambiriria.
ona ikambiriria we ona niwe kindu kiuru ciathire ciikurukire so ndauma ri toikaraga Kiambu so ngimutiga ngiamba kweherera o ucogothi wake ningi ati atawezi ata sindano kiribu yukagurukaga ithe nduranyenda ndurenda kunyenda na ndurenda kumena kako ni gutigora tiga mundu ndumutige once and for all
ore mwe mundu arakwenda ndakurekereria
bas mundu wakwa ri akiamba githama na gitumi kia menya ni athama ri unfortunately da realize a few days later datigire maratathi makwa ko certificates hado ndacihithite gikorwo ni ndari na cabi cia nyumba so by good luck thanks be to God tondu Ngai niwe ni ingiuga akoretwo akinyitirira to ni yanga ningia na yuraga kana I don't know fortunately re ngithie ndathie ri ngimenya haria maratathi mari na ngimakora ndiakire na cabi ndiari na uru nake ngihingura murango na ngiruta maratathi makwa na ngimitiga unfortunately soldier agioka kiuga ni nyuma ko ndiatigire any signs but the soldier now mentioned that I was there soldier mentioned that kuna mundu uyu ni evil ri egwiciria wewe evil take kogwa ambiriri kuona ta ngumufangira uru so agithama ni athama athama ri ona ndikumenya ona ndire na shughuli ona ndigucoka ringi ndire na mufango wa gucoka ringi but unfortunately kuria ndaikaraga muiritu ria wani murata wakwa ri ni twaragia na ngamwira atiriri nie no ndimwike kiundu tondu ona nie ni ndiraigua ruo why is he messing up with my life kama ni kuniacha sianiache once and for all so ni ndari na scheme ya igiona chance ri ni ona ni no ndimu revenge and I think this lady used to tell him
ne murakira kindu
so amwira ri nikio athamire tondu onire ta ingicoka kure unfortunately owe mwene agikono arajogotha ndari ari atigithania nani ona waigua ona githamo na gika maundu macio mothe in a day he used to send me almost 10 messages long messages I had blocked him no messages ni ciaigiraga so kona ginyori araria I'm so sorry I didn't mean to hurt you angado you know and by then ndambiriria gubanga guthie nja
bururi
tondu riu ri this guy has messed up with me ndirahota ginya guface ando tondu andu aya no ndiretagira uhiki na riu tha ici ri ndirahota kumera gutiri uhiki ndiambiria go scheme away out
wabe uthie kidogo
nyabe thie kidogo and so they turn in between riu ginyete hado they turn in between tondu mundu ma messages mari aranyandikira ri na ndathie nja ndahota guthi guikara more than 2 years ri muhia ngasiara after 2 years but then that was what I was thinking tondu ni umenya ni ndirakwira ni ndari na strategy ya muturire wakwa koguo ni ndirenda at 26 goro ndina mwana wa bere first born and na mwanake ni agire muno ni aranjira atiriri coka tuoi ni ndirageire mutwe
ugo ni mundu tamenya uria arenda
ni ta ku control there was someone who was controlling
akwire uthie
there was someone who was controlling
no arakwenda
imagine oguthukiria tu actually he was so focused na guthukiria back and forth tondu apparently that particular time no igwa they confused kana joke kana digacoke ni ajirire joke na akegera ndege ndaikaraga riu 44 kegera tugithie ni athamire riu hau niho riu ngumenyera ni athamire mwiki twathi mwiki nyumbenge now the most challenging part dakorire that particular day tone twakoretwo riu twambia ku converse ni ndirageria kumenya kana athie umenye riu ni ndirarigwo kana athie nja kana njikare so ni ndirageria ku converse na kenyone kana serious so we have been chatting gikoro riu ni twaiguithania na ndauga njoke forgo guthie maju ndaforgo guthie maju ndacoka muhia do you imagine ndaigira nyumba ogwo sitting room ndakorire mathuru ari mairetu maihuire hau mind you we have been chatting that is the reason why ndakora nitugu chatagi kogwo ri if he did not want me to feel bad ni angia mahithete no angako mahitha
ekuhitha
megete iguru hata sita course ona dikwaria ndamakorari ndetuire dinamona
duko ni gugo akarajangia kuria tiriri maiganaga atia
I know.
mari matheru
I know. Guy, mari maige. It's like he did it on purpose. And so nie ignore. I became blind to them. And that is how I learned how to become blind to
protect
issues.
yourself.
Yes, to protect myself. So I just spent the night the same way. I had purpose. In fact, I was not going back to live. I was going to check riera rihana atia.
Guthima
riera. Na ndathima riera ri. Na no igwa ni ndacikora ri ni ndamuririe obviously ngimuria ndodi ari na ngimuria kakire nyingi ati ona haria ona korwo ndirakire kuo da akilenga because intention yake ari njuri undu ambiguous akilenga story yo na niere the morning after agikindiga nyumba ndikire kugwakwa as he presumes so nie ndatigirwo ngika usafi nona manyamo macio ngimoya ngimaikia
nukumanyita
gwika atia riu na nindwikire housewife ngimoya ngimaikia karatathi
arutite kumaya umaya
ndoko mari mahiki akereria itari ku I don't know ngimoya ngimaikia rungu orire ndina purpose ya guthima nikio ngwirire Ngai ni andongoragia muno tondu ni ngia macinire ona ni ngia ateire tondu ni ndacoka ni ngire mwene mucie ngimaikia rungu orire. Do you know when he came back he asked me Shieku?
Oh, as he planted on
it purpose. Was on purpose. So ajuria kuria ndiri nie na itheru riakwa ri ngimwira atiriri ni ndiracicinire ciragika atia guku na nie ndiracokire reke ambie drama na no igwa ni the second day mundu yo na ndetagirira ona mwendane ma ade agatawa ona ndetagiraga it is the second day ajuria Shieku ngimwira ni ndiracicinire kogurukaga oya tia kana ni ndiracigurire hizo ndirakwira atiriri ona we ndugwikara ku and you know it is yesterday that I came. This person ni mundu ari mutume he was so evil, he was very evil. And so ni rege kimwira atiriri he ona ndiracicinire icio oya ko ni gwikira urenda gwikira wikire na ni ona ni ndarikania nawe riu completely na ngithie apparently na ngicoka ngifly out so tukiamba gutigana twamba gutigana ri ikio ngwire family no irandindikiriria gacagaca-ini yo akigia na accident o family tini athi kuona son in law
family yanyu
to hell riu ri
niki mare ndithiririo guo kakwa ina mbeca ku
kwari na mbeca
nikio
na mbeca but it's well ni ndawire atiriri either we diari na issue nao tondu relationship is personal no gukoni ni twatiganire nake no matire mari on attachment so me I didn't have an issue with them but it costed me a huge one it really costed me tondu riu ritarire rege guka kugeria kuhikari they started attaching me to that now really ni twatiganire now it's 7 years that was 2014 now ni tuoka doka riu ni 2021 ndageria kuhikari rege doka niguo gwatwika ruracio ni rugucokio na andu moka na gwacokio but now imagine gwatwikire ati ruracio ti rucokie matioi uhoro tocio matioi uhoro wa hikire umenye kwanza umenye ndambire ngiuka ngiuria procedure ingienda kuhika ringi itamerite kana ndrenda kuhika ngienda kuhika ringi ri kungiko atia na ngitaririo na ngifollow the right procedure da follow the right procedure gugitwika ona kuo kwa mami gutithietwo nake gugibango muthenya wake na magithie nigetha nie ingigoka kuracirio kana anything ingigatwika ni gwikwo ri igwikwo through the right procedure ndoka ndarehe mundu watwika matirenda ruracio rwake matiramwenda ku na matirenda ahike and that is how I lost the second marriage.
Really?
Yes, because now it's according to them they were saying that atigotisho kagio ruracio na mundu akahika and imagine these are 7 good years daikara itare mundu uyo daikara dewika nona ndacoka ndoka riu ndirenda kugeria kihiko na mundu ni ahikanirie ona ciana ciake ni nene gwatwika riu ni ndingihika and that is how they never attended the wedding.
What the hell?
Yes. Na marega ku attend the wedding they painted an image out there that I was an evil person, that I was very wicked, that I'm doing things on my own without informing them. Na te ndiraracirio kwina ruracio rungi. It was just bad. It was very bad. They messed up my day. They messed up my marriage. And it is well Tony Detikirire. Either way, in as much as they messed the marriage, we had started having issues now with the current
other guy.
Not current but now the current ex, no jugire current ex. No twambiriria ku have issues. Tondu first aciari matinoka uhiki. Ona so maga guka uhikire maga guka niki obviously the husband no mwake kwenda kumenya niki giki kiratuma guka. And I'm telling you the theories that were made. Nigga mentioned second season. There were theories that were made that the reason matokire uhiki they had their own reasons. And make decide gwika uria mekire.
No hiki matiguka ukicio na guo guikara
uikara tondu ngiikara atia tell the in-laws. What am I supposed to tell the in-laws? They are already questioning me. Why could your family refuse to come for the wedding? Why did this happen? Yet we came home. Aciari acio ni mokire nginya mucii na makionana na aciari akwa. No riu ni gwatuika nginya kurerwo utiroikaine kwina uhiki. Utire mundu roi kwina uhiki. To follow it the right procedure. Ndakwa follow dagiri nginya uria othe go follow the right procedure. But it is well. It is
well. Pole sana. Pole sana.
Akuago akigeragia.
It has been tea for tough, eh?
It has been tea for tough. I've evaded so much. But it is well. It is life.
Nditono ya ciari gutindikiriria ciana choices ciao matego consider choices cia ciana ungenda comment ati horo wigie ndeto nundu wa mundu urakwirorera.
It affects me a lot up to date. Gukorwo ati especially koka ni uhoro wa taban. Ni ndathingiririo muno ndigicokie na ni ngirugama na murugamo wakwa ndigwenda wona ndigicokia because life is mine.
Yes,
it is me who chose that direction because I am of age. I am 18 years and I can make decisions.
Yeah.
And I stood by it. But to them it did not settle well with them. Tondu maugiri atire mwana wakwa ndekunjatha. But mwana egukinyia 18 years ni mundu ungi make decisions ciake. Koguo no nyende kwariria muciari wothe we how. Gwire atiriri we ni kuhuthirwo wahuthirirwo ni Ngai wita darasha ya mwana ucio. No mwana ucio ena meciria make a processaga maundu in their own way aciaritwo na mumbire wake mwene. Koguo ri we kiri urenda atuike ri we ni urenda we tuika kio
nake na kiri arenda gutuika
we ena kiri arenda gutuika na riu thaici muhia ni ndina ciana ndingici force gutuika ni kiri nderiririe. In any case, even if they follow my line, they are following my line because they admire the mother.
Exactly.
But they have an idea that when I grow up I would want to become this. No. So at 18 years they will make their own decisions. Let them be. Kutindaga utindikiririe mwana arumirire kiria we urenda uramutindikiriria life yaku niki na we ni wagire na life yaku
ufati muhe freedom nake experience life
freedom yake. But support them from a distance.
Exactly.
Ni ona ndirakoretwo ndoria mundu ungi atiriri Ephesians chapter 6 yugaga children obey your parents in the Lord for this is right and it is the only commandment with a promise. Verse 2 yugaga atia parents do not provoke your children. No, matikoragwo na condition.
Mathomaga tu kau kamwe.
Mathomaga tu ya children's obey. Now let me tell you Maina. Here, sorry. You can engage, you can obey your parents to the latter. But just because you did not follow what they wanted for you, you have become disobedient.
Imagine.
How is that possible? Ogezera ati ajikare na kindu tondu niwe urenda no tiguo nie ndirenda nicoke wite ki disobedience.
It's unfair.
Haya ngurehere muthuri ta ringi for example ngwire ndirenda kuhikira uyu. It's our life. Instead of you advising us as a parent uria tungiikara wega kana kuria tungithie tukimendaga because no one is perfect. No one is perfect. Wabiririe kunjira dikwenda uhikiri gwenda uhiki after 2 years. Why urathurira? Do you know I was told I'm supposed to get married after 2 years riu nigetha digeke uhiki ucio. And I'm like why? What am I holding back? Niki kiu ndina kio gigakura 2 years later. Kwani 2 years time iguikara ejetereire?
Na miaka no irathonga.
Ni ndaingirire kiona kigia mwana. Life is for the living. na life dere rehearsal. Life does not have a rehearsal. And let me tell you something, muhia ndio nikidagweta mine.
Nika phrase karia gatrendaga. Let me tell you mine.
Oh, you get it. So, reke gwire, life no irathi na mbere. Na maisha matirugamaga. Na ithwe twetatumia ni turi time frame. Inywe mutire. Ni ngiaga kugia ciana before nginyetie 50. Ikahota kugia.
Ndukahota.
Na ndukanjira nyambiririe kuhoya ribashaka ndo. Ribabona. Ngiye mwana. Neguo. So my time is still moving. So riria we woka wanjira ati jeterere I think 2 years, 3 years, 4 years yate nigetha ngahika ri. We ciria maisha makwa atia.
Ni marugamu.
Exactly.
We riu ri twana ni tuigana.
Ndina twana twiri.
Na story no yothe ndura handu hari wagia na twana.
Nikora ihire muno. Tondu dauma majure. Ni ndokire na ngiuka riu ningi papasite kuhika.
Okay.
Ringi riu. Kugeria mundu ageragia maita maria. Tuikaraga tukigeragia. Na ndoka da papas kugeria. Na migerio-ini yakwa ri mwanake o uria ri ero ni ndacoka.
No aguka ningi.
Ero ni ndacoka ri ambiririo cogothi.
Okay.
Ndera aciari manjira atiriri tutingika maundu njua kali ngira mwanake ucio oke atwire ari we. Mwanake oka na uga atiriri we ni ahikanirie. Na ona ahikanitie ri tondu ni ndari mutumia wake legit.
Business legit.
Na ni adashirie ri umenye haha tuticoketie ruracio
niwe kwenda
ni kwenda. Na ni ri ndamwira why not hindi ndacoka by then hindi no ndoka ndacoka the very firm in the salvation. We firm in the salvation ni kuga atiriri it ni gukorwo very difficult go settle na mundu ungi na already ni woneti andu uyu niwe mundu. So hakiri ciakwa cireira atiriri akiko ni decide no ende tucoka no why not why not
riu ni mugucoka no
atikana
ne nongi
tugicoka no na ndie mutumia yake ka ni o ndacokete.
Yo karo ndeire studio na niho kugira twana
na dagia ndari when the guy realized that I am pregnant he ran away running
again. Then after the kid immediately he came back. After the kid he came to plant another one.
Big. That was going right now not worry the second season todo nieguka ajire atiriri erirwo ndi infertile na ndi barren ndingihota kugia mwana
no ru no agia kana. So
nie ndoka ndamwira atiriri haya niguo makwirire nitugukiona
Noeda kumu prove wrong.
Wala damu prove. Then I'm very fertile.
Yes.
I can be able because near Diana gete. So game prove era niere no in fact I gwadena dato ndo ndamwire thimu inere uria mundu athia wira ini ati ni gucoka hwaine ndacokire. The following day niguo skimiria kinjira ahe besa enough cia kuruta ndeo.
What?
Andu aria Gakan dute ndeo tondu no ngorio ndenda gutuika single mother in life. Ngimwira so be it ndigiruta nda wambe umenye ndahika ndi na 24 thaisi ndiracoka ndi na 26 ujire ndute nda kawe uranyitirira maisha makwa
miaka no irathonga
ngimwira so be it niguikara ndi single mother I don't care. Haya na ngikua nda ndiika na ngithie the journey alone
no kigia kana
na ngigia kana aigwa ninge ni ndagia kana uyu wacoka
oka ningi aguthecerere kangi
mwana kandi kiria dire nyeje no na ngicoka ri muhia is good that I clarify here. People might think that I did not see the red flags but let me tell you kwena stereotype ikiragwa andu ya kuonia andu atiriri ati waracirio ni watuika legal wife wa mundu uyu. That is what chained me. I could not move on. I could not think straight tondu already ni ndirero ni andu umenye ndukahika umenye we ndukahika gutire hindi ukahika ringi ako we muracirie wero guo gwikate ithe ti wikaragia ukiendithiriria mundu
the societal pressure
societal pressure is bad. It's very bad and it has I know messed so many people up. Na kwanza mundu arokoro ndari sober minded tondu riu tuge for example ni ngiacokire ingiumire na gakeri njoke ringi ria
gatatu riu ni
and that is why riu ndoka riu ndeciria riu kuhika after 7 years hindi no toka gutigana ri adiga riu ndina kana ona so after 7 years re nigo ndeciria go settle so 7 years I have again built my life nona from scratch again I have picked up the pieces. I am now trying to re-strategize things. After 7 years now, I'm ready now again to settle. Dokwenda kujira need the wife material.
We umekapitia unajua ukaagi.
I don't speak about myself a lot.
Aturaga ko?
I don't know. It's none of my business.
So, uhoro no adirire few.
What happened? I am a very straightforward person. Riria ndatwire ni guhikari rita riri rigiri ni ndamwirire. That is why ruracio rwacokirio because we were in good terms. Actually ni ndokire ngimurekera and we became friends wa kwaranagiria tu ona ndagienda kuni meet ni akoragwo na guilt ndaenda kuni meet but we were talking until some time ndamenyire he mutumia waingiriire kihiko kiu na mutumia ucio niwe watumire uhiki ukanjwo na mutumia ucio niwe wa controlaga mwanake ucio na kama undu maingi maria itamenyire kire na purpose iriku na intention iriku na ekaga uguo nigetha nie ngoro itari na muthuri
ni mundu ukumenya ni mundu ukumenya
aca ndimwe
no gucoka kumenya ate ni mutumia kana ni ndeto cieyumiria later ndoka kumenya later na that purpose ndikwenda gutindanira nacio tondu I moved on. I moved on and but it was very painful. It was so painful knowing that was my friend. Ndimwe ni mundu ari murata wakwa ndukimuigirire haha tumukarange oro riu
tu atige kuigirirwo atikumuhithirira ndiramuhithirira but nianjikire uru tondu she would have chosen someone else.
Tuge hindi no mothe maundu maya marahanika there is an upper hand.
Yes, there is an upper hand.
He mundu wiho
so ona ndacoka ni uyu ni aramwira ni ndacoka akamu control wira mwikio
nigetha athie
in fact I think the intention was to live my life frustrated.
Uguo na blackmailing iria na triggering
niwe hario na mundu gwirire nie mundu ndamumenyete 6 years so ni ndoi ginya capacity iria ngikinya yanga ni ndoi ni ndamui ni mundu ndoi so he maundu ekaga ngamwira that was not you but I did not know who and
have you forgiven them?
Forgiven them. Well, forgiven them completely. My heart is clean, but I can never forget. I can never forget. It can never be erased. I'm actually trying to pick up myself from that because it is painful. It is so painful, that situation and scenario and imagining what they did to me and imagining what kind of hate could this be. It was painful.
That's too much, but it shall be okay. Tondu ndirigwa hena twana na ndikwenda ume haho tatwirite uria wikaga.
Okay, twana riu kau ka mbere no igũria kakamire bae and now he tried to become not a present dad, a responsible father.
He's a
responsible father and a present dad because present dad nionaga mwana but a responsible father no gwikia ikagia uguo ni gwikaga so riria ndathire kuhikari ni ndamwirire ona uteithio cio waku ni ndikwamba kuwenda ona nikabaturie tunyuage mai na ngima at least nigetha njige kihiko tondu riu ri kihiko giakwa ni gigukorwo ki under attack wakorwo we present and that is how I put him off. Na ndamu put off the dia kingira riu kihiko gikindi na intentions cia guikara but now ndu ni wona ningi my family yoka yarega guka ũhiki yarega gu participate ndatiganirio nĩ othe literally othe makiendaga kũnyona and it became a very sad time tondu ndaingira kihiko-ini giki nakio ri ni ndikoragwo na wastage of time muhia ndira waste time ngikate ndakwira muiritu akinya menopause ni uguo so ni ndaingirire ngitenda hau na ngipurpose kugia mwana such that you know yo angigeciria ni eguthie ri my life will never stop ni ngoragwo njitikitie muturire wakwa ndukarugama
ndubati kurugama
ona thaa ici ngigia mundu ungi
kana
ai life yakwa itakakirugama na ni ndagia kana ni ngoro riu de sure gaka gegukura atia that is what I normally do tondu riu ri ndungitegemera mundu 100% na mwana ucio aragutegemera 100%
exactly
so I have to be careful and ni hakiri ciakwa ciiraga ndahika hikio mwana ni gukorwo sorted but it never worked like that because some months later mwanake oni athire ni undu wa issue cia family aikarago hindi ciothe akanjuria ai we niambie ukweli kwa nini hawakukuja harusi kwani wewe uliwafanyia nini and it's good that I clarify here I have never done anything to them I have never
nioro uguo tu
da muhia ndakwira by the time ndageragia marriage ndari 24 mundu wi 24 ndarikiti nginya guthoma
ni arikitie
niguo kodi muthomo niguo haya mundu wi 24 ri ndeikaritie koguo ndire mwana ringi ati haria mundu ugaga ati ndafataraga kia ya muciari kana kia ya society uguo you understand so I made a decision when I was sober I have never at any given time been lured to make a decision ni matua makwa koguo nini ndapapacite kuhika na ona rita rĩa kere no ni ndapapacite kuhika koguo na ingihika rĩa gatatu no ni ngakorwo nduite matua
no yo tuite matua
na nginya ona kugia ciana it was my decision
exactly
I have never been coerced to get a child it was my decision because I understand fully very well that at 50 I will not be able to get children
exactly
so if God has gifted me the gift of having a child why not
you have the kid
and there are people who are barren they are married and they cannot even give kids so
true Deure in the interest of time re turira wekaga ucoke ndira I know hena kaundu ke mbere no ajira ni urageria riu tu you're trying to come back from you know all the urageria ku gwibanga ningi ringi ndageria ku strategize uragenia tondu wega wathongomana nduraikara hau ndire ndagwa hau ngaikara hau strategizeaga I will always find a way out na no nyende kumiriria mundu wothe uraje ndorera always find a way out people always tell me oh nime give up na life nasikia ku commit suicide agamuthuri ni aradigire agawira ni urathirire ukaigua wakua ngoro ni ndi haha gukwira ta wiyumiririe na woe etha mwere kironge ona njiraga mundu ungikorwo wiruiru na ni kuoma umaro irothie turukana sina ni ejikarete kundu kuigana ati ndathire nginya Naivasha na ngiga nginya supermarket ko uyo angi akigora ndina supermarket agora ndina maundu makwa marathie na mbere I was trying I was always trying you have to keep on trying miti gedia mahiga I've been in the media I'm just trying to find a way out exactly
and this time round I realized in my path of life that I am so gifted in marketing and I have been doing digital marketing for the last maybe around 10 years todo ona hindi no ndiratiganirio ri at least I am busy with my phone na dira decide I founded a company ira itaga Subeth marketing agency and that's what I have been working with until recently direshiriri kumeshejia retwa nigetha hote kuthie corporate and even to do other stuff so right now I'm into marketing digital marketing field marketing that's what we call also direct marketing na garugoria kabuni yo on Sunday the 21st
wow
na bado ni ndaigereire wini ndakora ni ndire ndakoma no igwa no thakaga mithako I'm always busy I'm always trying to make ends meet I'm always trying to do something because let me tell you more here Ecclesiastes chapter 12 no hujagia ginya kuhujia no hujagia and I also study psychology. I'm in school doing psychology. So ndirageria kugeria gutuika therapist ndirareria andu uhoro wa mental health. Na through that period of time nigoretwo ngigeria kumenya atiriri andu meciragia muno ni gukorwo me idle. Ungikorwo we idle hatiri undu ureka. Your mind travels. You travel a lot. So I have schemed a way of always doing something. So if I'm not acting, I am singing. If I'm not singing, I am doing therapy somewhere. If I'm not doing all that, I am marketing a product. I am influencing. I am attending conferences. Taruni dieda ko miss out. I am one of the people who never miss out. The reason I don't miss out on things is because some of these things don't have a repeat. Matigeshokerwa. Haya, you are not guaranteed of tomorrow. You only have today. So live like you own today. And live like you're dying today.
Exactly.
Weka maundu macio uguka life yaku ikimove wega na ndugukorwo ukistress oni maundu so mundu ageria gugutha akugwithie uri mutindikaga iteke agatigwo we agwite we ugathie na mbere wacamania nongi ageria gukurugamia ukamutindika nako we ugathie. The focus is ahead. The focus is you becoming the better version of yourself. The focus is on you developing and growing and also progressing in life.
Wajira, about the company ya marketing, you're doing some launching.
It's a launching.
Nene wadu meire kadi onani. Hota kugia do maigana ha magi gutuikira ageni. So ni gutuhe namba. Also nabe mundu twakuria kiuria kigie marketing kigie gwika atia. Na maundu macio mwage mothe wake gweta. Nigetha turikie ngurekererio gagethere twana.
Niguo. Thank you so much Muhia. Ndakena ni ihinda riu wahe guku kwa Muhia wa maige. Na uthie na mbere na gutabia ndumiriri njega and I love your content.
Thank you.
Keep doing you.
Asante.
You told me something. Ate wajirire atia ate those who talk bad don't have anything they are doing.
Exactly.
So as long as you're doing something, they will always talk. You just give it your best.
Keep doing.
So I want to give my number to anyone. I also work as an influencer. I'm a digital marketer. I am a therapist. You can look for me to taongea. I normally tell people it's better I listen for you. I listen to you a whole day than attend your burial the same day. It's better I listen to you a whole day. Guthikireria tu jikare ugo guthikirerie. Guthikireria tu. We iturure. Na ni undu wa maundu macio mothe, namba yakwa ya thimu ni 0720 455 23. 0720 455 523. Ugejariria na namba iyo ni ukunyita na korwo no wende gutuika sponsor through the event kana no wende kujeta jike influencing kana no wende gwika kindu gitagwo page management yaku maybe page yaku ni komete no ngukiririe na hote gukumanagera page iyo. Thank you muno Muhia.
Thank you so much. Wenda igwe we mwaria no twarie na nitu ucio niturikaga podcast kariri kamaria marakunuka
nditigo
ndiona wivoko muno thiku ici kuria
goragwo devoko actually goragwo devoko ni kirio ni maundu.
Thank you. Njitagwo Muhia wa maigi ndi mwendete muno utuko mwega thiena wega tigona wega itigiragia andu makonana ndi mwendete muno bye.